Are you in the market for a new bike pumps, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike pumps on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. BV Bicycle Ergonomic Bike Floor Pump with Gauge. If you're planning your next mountain biking adventure, you need a reliable pump that can handle the bumps and drops of the trail. This pump is made of lightweight and durable aluminum, so it won't break or bend even if you accidentally drop it. It works with various valves and features a flexible hose that rotates up to 360 degrees, so you can reach the valve at any angle. The pump inflates your tires quickly up to 160 psi, and the large accurate pressure gauge ensures precise inflation. Its compact size makes it easy to pack in your gear, and the stable base and ergonomic design allow for easy and convenient use. While some users have reported that the pump may bend the valve if not used properly, this is a minor issue that can be avoided with careful use. Overall, this pump is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and convenient pump to keep their tires properly inflated on their mountain biking adventures. So, pack this pump for your next mountain biking adventure and enjoy a worry-free ride with properly inflated tires. Number 2. Performance Bike Floor Pump and Glueless Puncture Kit. When you're out cycling, the last thing you want to worry about is a malfunctioning bike pump, especially when you're far from civilization. Fortunately, this bike pump is here to save the day. It is both sturdy and reliable, ensuring that you can handle any flat tire on rough trails without difficulty. One of the best features of this pump is its compatibility with different valves, ensuring that it seals securely and avoids any leaks. Additionally, it inflates quickly up to 160 psi, making it a powerful and efficient tool. Furthermore, its accurate gauge allows you to know the precise pressure of your tires, making sure there are no mistakes. The pump is also built to last, ensuring that you can enjoy your cycling adventures regardless of the conditions. If things get tricky, the emergency puncture kit is there to assist you in handling any situation with ease. When not in use, the storage clip allows for convenient carrying, and it even includes a special needle for inflating toys and balls. While the pump's plastic base may feel slightly flimsy, the overall performance and reliability make it a must-have for any cyclist. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and efficient bike pump, this product is an excellent choice that will undoubtedly serve you well for years to come. Number 3. Bel Air High Volume Bicycle Pump. Flat tires are the bane of every cyclist's existence. But with the Bel Air High Volume Bicycle Pump, you'll never have to worry about being stranded on the side of the road again. This pump features a durable steel barrel and an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. Its high volume capacity allows for quick and efficient inflation of your bike tires, with a maximum pressure of 120 psi. The Bel Air High Volume Bicycle Pump also comes with a versatile nozzle that fits both Pre-Stahl and Schrader valves, so you can use it on any bike. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to store in your backpack or bike bag. Don't let a flat tire ruin your ride. Get the Bel Air High Volume Bicycle Pump and keep rolling. Number 4. Schwinn Bike Pumps. As an avid cyclist, one of the most important aspects of your ride is having properly inflated tires. And that's where the Schwinn Bike Pumps come in. With both foot and hand operated options, these pumps make inflating your tires a breeze. The foot operated option allows for a hands-free experience, making it easy to inflate your tires without needing to use your hands. And if you prefer greater control and precision during inflation, the hand operated option is the way to go. The Schwinn Bike Pumps come equipped with both Pre-Stahl and Schrader valve options, allowing for versatile usage across different bike types. The dual pump head design ensures a secure and tight fit onto the valve, preventing any air leaks during inflation. Plus, the pumps come with a gauge that accurately displays the tire pressure, ensuring you always have the optimal inflation for your ride. Overall, the Schwinn Bike Pumps are a reliable and practical investment for any cyclist. They are easy to use, versatile, and built to last, making them an excellent addition to any biking setup. Number 5. Toppy Turbo Morph Bike Pump with Gauge. As a cyclist, you know the importance of having a reliable bike pump that can handle any situation. That's where the Toppy Turbo Morph Bike Pump with Gauge comes in. This pump is not only compact and easy to transport, but it's also versatile and perfect for both road and mountain bikes. The built-in gauge ensures accurate pressure readings, allowing you to quickly and easily inflate your tires to the right pressure. The Smart Head technology allows for easy switching between Pre-Stahl and Schrader valves without any adjustments, making it even more convenient to use. And one of the standout features of this pump is its ability to switch between high volume and high pressure modes. This makes it easy to quickly inflate tires, and also to fine-tune the pressure for optimal performance. Overall, the Toppy Turbo Morph Bike Pump with Gauge is a great investment for any cyclist who wants a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use pump that can handle any situation. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.